Did you know that for some people, ladybirds are considered symbols of good luck? Hello, I'm here to tell you about the 7-spotted ladybug, also known as the ladybird beetle, and share 5 must-know facts about it. Currently, there are about 5,000 different species of ladybugs in the world. They are loved by many people and appear in a variety of colors and patterns. However, in North America, the most familiar is the 7-spotted ladybug, with its shiny, hard red and black spotted shell. Ladybugs are also considered symbols of luck in many cultures around the world. Let's take a closer look at this attractive insect. But first, let's sort out some of its names. In Britain and other English-speaking countries, the name is ladybug or ladybird. However, in the United States and Canada, we use the name ladybird beetle so as not to be confused with birds. In Australia, they call these insects ladybirds, while in parts of Africa and Asia, locals refer to them as the ladybird beetle or the lady beetle. Now let's get acquainted with some interesting facts about ladybugs. Number 1. Long ago, European farmers prayed to the Virgin Mary when pests began to destroy their crops. As if answering their prayers, ladybugs appeared and swept away the harmful insects. Since then, the insect was called Our Lady's beetle, which later became ladybird or ladybug. According to another version, the name comes from the Old English word leod, meaning deer. The origin of the name is still debated, but the history of the ladybug is well established. Also, this story shows how beneficial these insects are to farmers. Indeed, ladybugs are considered helpers on the farm. They feed mainly on aphids and other small insects that damage plants. A single ladybug can eat up to 5,000 insects in its lifetime. That's why gardeners and farmers love them. By the way, in 1999, NASA sent 4 7-spotted ladybugs into space, along with their favorite food, aphids, to see how they would survive. Amazingly, the ladybugs not only lived in zero gravity, but also ate all the aphids. 2. Most people like ladybugs because of their cute appearance and harmlessness to humans. Their shells are beautiful and come in many different shapes, colors, and patterns. Ladybugs generally have an oval body shape and 6 short legs. Depending on the species, their bodies may be spotted, striped, or solid-colored. The 7-spotted ladybug has a bright red or orange shell with 3 black spots on each side and 1 in the middle. Its head is black with 2 white patches on either side. All these bright colors serve as a warning to potential predators who do not want to eat a smelly, bitter ladybug. And when the danger approaches, ladybugs release a foul-smelling, oily liquid from the joints of their legs. This liquid can be poisonous, especially for some types of beetles and ants. So ladybugs are protected from many enemies. However, birds, frogs, toads, and spiders are not afraid of ladybugs and happily eat them. Number 3. The 7-spotted ladybug is a medium-sized beetle. Its length varies from 4.5 to 6 millimeters. It also has short feelers or antennae, 11 segments long, which are connected to a knob at the top of the head. Like all beetles, ladybugs have a hard protective shell. They have 2 pairs of wings covered with small scales. The front pair of wings is modified into rigid armor called elytra, which protects the delicate hind wings used for flying. Ladybugs can fly pretty fast, reaching speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. However, they cannot fly very far and spend most of their time searching for food and mates close to where they were born. Also, ladybugs have special sponging mouthparts for sucking the juices out of their prey. They don't chew their food, which makes them different from most other insects. And ladybugs are voracious eaters, consuming hundreds of aphids every day. In addition to aphids, they eat other small insects, such as earwigs, sawfly larvae, cabbage worms, and more. These beetles are most active during the warmer months of the year. During the winter, they hide in secluded areas, such as under tree bark, between fallen leaves, in crevices of buildings, or inside piles of firewood until the temperature warms up again. 4. The 7-spotted ladybug was originally native to Europe, but now it is found throughout most of the United States and southern Canada. You can see it almost everywhere, from mountainous regions to riverbanks and even inside cities. In the fall, when cold weather approaches, ladybugs seek warm, quiet places to hibernate, such as rotting logs, under rocks, or even hidden corners inside homes. If ladybugs find a cozy place in your house, be careful. These insects bite when they feel threatened. Their bites are not dangerous, but they can leave a stain on your skin. It is best to catch them and release them outside rather than kill them. However, if there are too many ladybugs in your house, you will have to call pest control services. Number 5. Ladybugs lay their eggs in clusters or rows on the undersides of leaves where aphids are usually found. Then the larvae hatch and immediately begin to feed on aphids and other small insects. Females usually lay 100 to 400 eggs, which are yellow, orange, or black. Depending on the species, the larvae look different in shape and color. The 7-spotted ladybug larva is elongated, black, and has orange or yellow spots. Some people even say the larvae look like tiny crocodiles. The larvae molt several times and grow very quickly, molting after each of the 4 instars. When they reach a certain size, they attach their tails to a leaf and form a pupa. Inside the pupa, the ladybug undergoes metamorphosis and forms wings and legs. After about 1 to 2 weeks, an adult ladybug emerges and flies away. The whole life cycle from egg to adult takes about 30 days. Ladybugs live 1 to 2 years, although sometimes they can live up to 3 years. Now you know what a ladybug is and some interesting facts about it. Watch our videos and learn more about amazing creatures living on our planet. Be curious, because knowledge is power. Bye, see you soon.